recording the Discovery Princess ship from the one side to another, from the front to the back. Crew area of the Discovery Princess. I'm going from the crew cabins to the crew mess, crew buffet.
What time is it now?
Now it's I think 7 a.m. maybe.
7:30.
No, 7:40.
13:40.
Normally we are never awake at this time, but so the people are working as usual. We are going to their duties. Crew mess will probably be full of people eating, having a breakfast, if it's open. Should be open. This is a little bit of guest area with the guest elevators. And we're going back to the crew area.
So heavy.
M1. The main road.
Di ba yung sa pantry? Pantry? Oo, yung service space siya.
We are midship. Almost there. It's a garbage room. There it is. The meetings. Morning. Oh, the food. What for? Fresh fruit. Watermelon. Vinya.
How do you say pineapple again?
Ananas. This is the crew mess.